Now, weather with your First Coast News storm experts, powered by AC Designs.
Great story there from Heather. Thank you very much. Let's talk about this weather, Tim. So fog in the morning.
And then
warm,
nice and warm
in the evening.
I mean, it's getting to be a routine, right?
Yeah.
And typically, as we go through February, we start to see the transition of a hint of spring, right? So maybe an 80-degree day here or there is common, but we've already had 8. So it's starting to feel like spring has sprung. But I'm here to tell you there are some changes on the way. Not quite yet, exactly. So here we go. First of all, yes, as Anthony alluded to, the fog returns. Then the warmth returns during the afternoon, and we have that for a while until next week. And then we'll be reminded it is still winter out there, but certainly way more like spring. In fact, if we were to go climatologically to when an average 11 o'clock temperature is like this, we're really talking more about April conditions. Look at this, still 70 on the river there at NAS Jacks. Certainly a lot of moisture out there, so we're going to see some fog in the morning, even some mist. But as far as the nearest rain, as I was showing you, it's a big arc here, and that goes from Dallas to Chicago to Detroit. But I think in fact, Buffalo, the greatest significance here, that's all rain, showers and thunderstorms. It is not snow. Winter's still out there, but the leading edge of any frozen precipitation from Denver to about Minneapolis, St. Paul. And this big arch actually is the perimeter around that strong high that we're going to be talking about that's over Bermuda, a Bermuda high that typically we talk about, well, during the spring and the summer. It's not often. In fact, I'm not sure I can remember over the last 37 years I've seen a warm high from the surface to 30,000 feet in February as far to the north as Bermuda. But nonetheless, there it is. Here it is, and it's going to be with us for a while. Now, I'm showing you the winds, the breeze, the breath of a breeze. It's not strong. The point is, even late at night, where typically it goes calm, it's not going to be calm. We're going to have a light breeze off the ocean, and although the ocean temperatures from the Gulf Stream east are warm in the middle 70s, that easterly breeze is blowing over cooler waters, and that just means, once again, we'll have instant condensation over the sea, thus sea fog. Already some lower visibilities out around St. Simon's Island and Mayport, and that will gradually work westward. And that's pretty much the theme we've had for the last couple of mornings. So we'll have it during the morning hours as we head back to work and school, but then gradually and then dramatically, once it does happen, we're going to see that fog give way to a lot of sunshine. Now, with winds out of the south and southeast, notice right on the islands, there might still be a little bit of sea fog, but 99% of us will have a lot of sunshine, and notice temperatures not dropping all that much. And then once that sun shines, we'll be approaching 80 by the noon hour. So if you have the time, if you have the friends that have the boat, or the beach, there it is, sunnier tomorrow on the sand. And I say that because that's where the fog lingered longest today. Nonetheless, with the breeze off the ocean out around the beaches, highs of 72 degrees. So the flow is out of the southeast. Again, a deep Caribbean flow out of the southeast. So maybe some isolated showers at the most offshore during the morning and then over inland hours during the afternoon. But 99.9% of us will be dry. High officially of 80 degrees, but you folks out to the west of Highway 301, you'll probably have highs of 82 to 85 degrees. There it is, the big Bermuda high, because it's located, near Bermuda. But what's unusual is that this warm high goes all the way up to 30,000 feet, and that's steering everything around us. And that's why the next 7 days look like this as we wrap it up for you. So for the next 7 days, we're going to continue to be warm. It's going to be beyond Monday when the chill returns. Anthony?